Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. But today I'm here to show you how you can download Mobills application on your Android smartphone. Mobills is an app where you can create a budget, keep track of your all transactions, track your balance and save money with this one simple app. So to make sure to download this application, you need a secure Wi-Fi connection. So after making sure you have a secure Wi-Fi connection, go on to Play Store. And once you're at Play Store, go on the search bar and just type in Mobilus. After the result pops up, it is Mobilus Budget Planner. You can see an insert button side of your Mobilus. Just click on install and the application would be installed on your Android smartphone depending upon the speed of your Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, now the application has been downloaded on my Android smartphone. Now you can simply just open the application and use it to your advantage in maintaining your transactions and keeping track of your bank balance, and it can help you save money by budgeting your expenses well. So this much for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notifications. And don't forget, comment for more reviews and similar content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.